Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about 4 counter token system project. Here I used 4 push button for 4 different counters. If you press any push button from any counter, token will be printed along with counter number. I have given 3 headers and 3 footer in the program. If you want to change the hospital name, address, phone number, change in program. Please watch full video to make this project.